Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making COD Mobile show damage numbers in matches. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the main dashboard of COD Mobile, tap the settings icon from the top right of the screen. In Settings, tap Basic. In Basic Settings, scroll down to Damage Number. Enable damage number here and choose how transparent you want the numbers to be. Now, when you are in a match, when you inflict damage on someone, it will show you in numbers how much damage it was. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more COD Mobile tips and tricks.